Beware, pinatulan ko ito, thinking that it is legit using my credit card. Upon seeing the padlock icon and the safety icon na safe magbayad sa website nila. After that, napaisip ako, wala bang shipping fee? So I checked my email and I found out na ang binayaran ko ay partial payment ng membership fee na isang shopping website. I bombarded them with emails and it's good the support team responded and informed me they are not aware of the Rimowa promo and that I may be a victim of misleading ads redirecting to their site that may result to phishing or malware. Next move, I called my credit card provider. Upon learning I gave my card details online, the customer service immediately blocked my credit card and advised me be very careful on online transaction. Praise God, wala naman mga transaction na nangyari after my transaction on online. And the customer service said they will contest the payment at pwede ko pa siyang ma-refund. Nako, this will be the last na papatol ako dito. Actually, this is the first and last. I will not do this again.